You what?
I don't have SPSS with me today, so I'll have
Oh,
to rely on you guys. Sorry about that.
yeah, no worries.
Well, it's an easy one, so
This was an
Yeah.
easy one.
I've been looking at it. There's only a few problems where you need to actually do a graph or something.
yeah.
All right, just a minute. I got to find which window I had my school open in. That one. Seriously? Okay, just a minute. You guys maybe start it. Maybe I'll have to reopen mine.
Okay, well, maybe I can ask you a question first.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
okay, for the project, I have described the data this week. And
Yeah.
one of the things that it asked us to do is possibly do a graph. So for ours, what kind of graph should I use?
I think you should just use a basic histogram. Don't you
Okay.
think?
I don't know.
Because our study would be a one mean sigma unknown
So it'd be,
study, right?
yeah, like a t-test sigma unknown, yeah.
Yeah, so the only graph I think that goes with that is the histogram.
Okay. Okay.
Unless
That's what I would do. I think that sounds good, Becky.
something different.
Okay. Good. Well, that answered both my questions. So
then on my homework on my iLearn, it tells me that that assignment is due for me. So what did you guys do when it wasn't the one that you were assigned to do?
oh, okay,
I
what
just
I did,
ignored it.
well, I actually turned it in. I opened it up and I said, Julie is assigned to do this, and then I submitted.
Okay, all right. So either way, right? Okay. All
So
right, so here we go. Correlation of the coefficient is used to quantify direction, strength,
direction and strength of the linear relationship. I
Yep,
did A.
direction and strength.
Yeah. A. I think A too.
Yeah.
Yep. And I'll just warn you guys, if I cut out, it's because we're coming up on Malad. We'll be going over the Malad pass here in a bit.
No worries.
Okay.
The correlation coefficient is negative when one variable increases.
The other variable tends to decrease if it's negative.
Yep. Right. So that'd be C.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Number 5, the effective outliers on the correlation efficient is not significant. That is false. It's very significant.
Yeah. Okay. Then the correlation coefficient between duration and weight of Old Faithful. Okay. So this is our R. I got 0.901.
oh, just a minute. I haven't opened this up.
Okay.
Just a second. Is it under Old Faithful?
Yeah. There's an attachment right down there on the bottom that you can open up
Oh, there is.
of the assignment.
All right. So analyze, correlate, bivariate. Okay, so what's the first one that it wants? The R?
Yeah.
So did you get 0.901?
Yes.
And then we're going to times it by the 2 standard deviations, which are 1.141371 and 13.595. And then you got 13.981.
Yeah, but they only want us to round it to 1 decimal. So 13.9. Is that what that means?
That would make it 14.
14.
Correlation coefficient. So that one's R, and that one's 0.981. 0.901.
Yeah, so number 6 is 0.901.
Okay, and then the covariance duration to 1 decimal place. Well, I think if you round to 1 decimal place, you end up with 14 even.
Okay.
Maybe I'll put 0.0.
Yeah.
I hate those rounding things.
I know. Mess with me.
I know. Okay, so we must have lost Ryan. That's okay. He's on the first of the video, so he gets credit.
Yeah. And he can go back and watch it and get all the answers.
That's right. Oh, that's true. He can as soon as he gets over the hill.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay, so
So 8. So when it's 0, 0, it's going to be the ones that are like scattered.
Say C. Don't you think C?
Yeah, I think C.
And then it's got to be F. Oh, wait, no, 1.0. So that's almost a straight line positive. So that's got to be A.
Yeah, A. Positive up.
And then a -1 has got to be D.
Yep.
And then positive 9.5 has got to be B.
B. -9.
It's got to be E.
E.
That makes 13. It's got to be F. Right?
Yep, that's what I got. Okay. So the next one, do you have the math self-efficiency opened?
No, I don't.
From the assignment? I mean, from the book.
No, but I can. Just 1 second. I have that page. I can find it. Math self-efficiency. I wish all our lessons were this easy.
I know. I can't wait till this course is over.
I know.
Cannot wait.
Have you done your homework for today?
No, not yet.
So it is it score and then confidence rating? I am not looking at my question.
It's math self-efficiency. Oh, wait, yeah. No, wait, the first thing we want to do is, get the R. And then,
my 2 variables are score and confidence rating.
Oh, yeah, score and confidence. Sorry. Yeah.
Anyway, so the homework for today, I did it last night because the lesson thing was so easy.
Yeah.
Well, so it's only half this lesson, and then it's all half review. So then it was like, oh crap, and pulling out all my old notes.
I know. That's what I hate about this class.
There's no such thing as learning dumb.
Yeah.
All right, so I got an R of 0.728.
Yeah, that's what I got. Yep.
And then I'm going to times that by 16.36933 and 0.93854. Yeah, 11.184.
Yeah. And this one says round to 3 decimal places. So,
okay, so 14, I'm going to put 0.728, and 15, I'm going to do 11.184.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, well, let's give it a shot, shall we?
Yeah, I can submit it.
I did. We're good.
Yeah, we are good.
I wonder if we should. I wonder if I have Ryan's cell phone number.
Oh, I think I do. Didn't you text us both last time?
Maybe. I'll try and text him because if he doesn't have SPSS, he can't figure those couple answers.
Yeah.
Which
is 6 and 7.
Due in an hour, so. Let's see. So we're going to do number 6. I'm just going to write these down. Let's see. 0.901 and 7 is 14.0. And then what other ones are SPF? Just these last two? 14
Yeah,
and 15?
14 and 15, yeah.
0.728 and 11.184. Okay, I'll text him so he's got those.
Okay.
All right, so as far as our group project, is there anything else that we need to, so the collect the data, oh, we did that. So describe the data, which you're doing this week.
Yeah.
And
then Joseph.
Inference and take action, which Josephine's doing, right?
Well, I've been communicating with Josephine
Oh, you have?
in email. Like her computer's still broken, and she only gets to go on borrow a friend's computer on Saturdays. So
I wonder, should I make the inference and take action?
Well, she said she could do it. I guess she'll email me if she has a problem.
Okay.
But I'll ask her. How about I'll just do that, and then I'll tell you on Thursday.
And then because Ryan had said too, he doesn't want to wait till the very, which I agree. It'd be nice to get this done before finals.
Yeah.
So if you do yours this week, and if we can get a hold of Josephine and see if she wants to do hers, and then if you wouldn't mind emailing each of us maybe your describe the data.
Okay. Yeah, I'll totally do that.
Because we each have to write a thing at the end again, I think, the evaluation thing, you know?
Yeah. And then if we each have our project, then Ryan can put it into a PowerPoint.
Right, and he can do his PowerPoint anytime. I mean, because really, once you and Josephine are done, he could do his as early as like this weekend even, maybe, you know, or next week if Josephine is able to get hers done on Saturday. So.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I know I'm trying to get mine done because Friday and Saturday I'm going to be out of town.
Yeah.
So I'm going to try to hurry and get it done. And then I'll email her.
Okay.
So we can get hers done too. But she might be listening to this. So she might be able to get it on her phone, she said.
Oh, okay.
So,
all right.
Yeah.
Well, that'd be wonderful, whichever. So I'm happy to have her participation, you know. So I don't want to cut her out if she can do it. I just don't want, you know, I mean, if her computer's not working and she can't, then.
It sounds like it's going to be fixed soon.
Yeah, I just can't even imagine. I think she's pretty amazing for doing this from Nigeria or wherever it is.
Well, and she's really smart. She's doing good in this class.
I know she is. She probably has the best grade of all of us. I know Sister Kennelly said, because I went and talked to her, and she's like, oh yeah, she's doing very, very well. And I'm like, okay.
You don't need to worry about her.
Yeah, so.
Okay, there's Ryan. Ryan.
I'm back, yeah.
Oh, good. We were just going to text you the answers to the SPSS ones.
Oh, you could still do that. That'd be great.
Okay.
Or if you're here, do you want us to just tell you quick? Or would it be easier if I texted them to you?
Well, let me just type them down really quick because my browser closed when I lost the internet. So what do you got? Do you get 0.091 for the first one?
Uh-huh.
0.9. Wait, what is it?
Here, just a minute. Maybe I can go back into the whole homework thing.
Well, I have mine open still. So, okay, so number 6 is 0.901.
Okay.
And then number 7 is going to be 14.0.
Okay.
And then 8, we got C. 9 is A. Did you get 9?
Yeah, 9A. Let me see if it'll let me look at what I had. No, that browser's frozen. Okay.
10
Yeah,
is
so 9A.
9A, 10 B, 11 D is in dog.
Okay.
11 B is in boy. 12 is
Okay.
E. E is in Ethan. 13 is F in Frank. Then 14 is another SPS, and 14 is 0.728. And then 15 is 11.184. And that's it.
So those last two are funny because those were actually in our textbook, those answers.
Yeah.
Oh, they were?
Well,
I
not,
wondered about that, yeah. At least 14 was, maybe not 15.
yeah, 15 wasn't, and so yeah, that was kind of weird.
Well, we did it and submitted it.
And we got
Awesome.
100.
Well, thanks, guys. Yeah, sorry I cut
Yeah.
out there.
No, it's all good. We just wanted to make sure you had the SPSS ones, so.
Yeah. Good luck
And
with
then-
your interviews.
All right, thanks, guys. Is there anything I need to do this week for the research?
Well, we were just talking about that. Becky's going to try and get her describe the data done in the next couple days, and then hopefully Josephine will maybe be able to do her take action over the weekend, and then that puts us to your PowerPoint. Because
Okay.
you said you wanted to do it before finals week. But,
That's right. Yeah, I gotta get on that.
But we can adjust it. However, I don't think it's due. You know what I mean? So.
Right.
So
So there's a
don't
PowerPoint, and there's
stress
something else too. Isn't there something else I had to do, like the what is it?
Well, we were supposed to do the data one. I mean, I'm doing describe the data, but we were, collect the data.
Mm-hmm. And we did
We all
that already.
Yeah, we all did that one.
Oh, yeah, no, Josephine, okay, so I'm going to do describe the data. Josephine will do the make the inference and take action. Is that right? And then Brian then we'll give everything to you and you can put it in a PowerPoint.
There we go. Sounds
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, sounds like a plan.
All right.
Okay, thanks, guys. See you
Thanks,
on
guys.
Tuesday, Thursday, whatever day.
See you Thursday.
See you. Bye.
Bye.